Hello and welcome to the German at Home series. In this third lesson, we will talk about your hobbies. First of all, we will talk about questions, how to ask someone about their hobbies. Then we will look at all the necessary vocabularies in order to answer the questions. And at last, we will learn about how to answer what your hobbies are. Let's start with questions. The first question is, was ist dein Hobby? Was ist dein Hobby? Which can be translated as, what is your hobby? The second question is, was sind deine Hobbys? Was sind deine Hobbys? What are your hobbies? Here we have the noun hobby, das Hobby, or in plural, die Hobbies, which can be translated as hobby or hobbies. Was ist dein Hobby? Was sind deine Hobbys? The next question is, was machst du gerne in deiner Freizeit? Was machst du gerne in deiner Freizeit? Which can be translated as, what do you like to do in your free time? Here we have the noun die Freizeit, which is free time or leisure. The next question is, was machst du am liebsten? Was machst du am liebsten? Which is, what do you like to do the most? Here we have the adverb am liebsten, which can be translated as best or preferably. Was machst du gerne in deiner Freizeit? Was machst du am liebsten? Let's continue with the fifth question. Was sind deine Interessen? Was sind deine Interessen? Which is, what are your interests? Here we have the noun das Interesse or the plural die Interessen, which is the interest or interests. And the last question, für was interessierst du dich? Für was interessierst du dich? Which can be translated as, what are you interested in? Here we have the verb sich interessieren für, which is to be interested in. Was sind deine Interessen? Or für was interessierst du dich? Let's have a look at vocabularies which describe different activities. First, we will look at verbs which are related to water. The first verb is schwimmen, which is to swim. Next, angeln, which can be translated as to fish. Tauchen, which is to dive. Segeln, to sail. And surfen, to surf. Schwimmen, angeln, tauchen, segeln, surfen. The next verbs are related to the outdoors. Laufen, to run or to walk. Wandern, to hike. Klettern, to climb. Jagen, to hunt. And campen or zelten. To camp. Laufen, wandern, klettern, jagen, campen, zelten. The next verbs are related to activities that are creative. Here we have the verb singen, to sing. Tanzen, to dance. Malen, to paint. And zeichnen, to draw or to sketch. Singen, tanzen, malen, zeichnen. The next verbs are related to activities that you do at home. Kochen, to cook. Backen, backen, to bake. Grillen, grillen, to grill. Fernsehen, fernsehen, to watch TV. And stricken, stricken, to knit. Kochen, backen, grillen, fernsehen, stricken. The next verbs are related to activities that you do on holidays. Reisen, reisen, to travel. Fotografieren, fotografieren, to take pictures. Faulenzen, faulenzen, to chill out. Lesen, lesen, to read. Reisen, fotografieren, faulenzen, lesen. The next verbs are related to fitness. Reiten, reiten, to ride a horse. Turnen, turnen, to do gymnastics. Boxen, boxen, to box. Bowlen, bowlen, to bowl. Reiten, turnen, boxen, bowlen. This was lesson 3.1. I will see you in the next lesson.